be encountering just lots of colors in a future time. So today we're going to be looking at few clothing items, and these items are already known clothing items in the English language. We want to know what they are called in French language. This is a white shirt. So when I told you we are going to be encountering some of the aforementioned colors in our last class, this is a white shirt. Is it your favorite? Do you like a white shirt on a trouser? Doesn't have to be black. Or on a skirt. It doesn't have to be black anyway. Or is yours a dress? I mean, everything is black, black. No wonder her favorite color is black. So that's the question. This is a black skirt. What is a black skirt called in French? Une jupe noire. Remember, colors and their genders. Une jupe noire. Jupe, J-U-P-E. Noir, N-O-I-R-E. C'est un pantalon en français. This is a trouser. And so what is a trouser called in French? A trouser is called un pantalon ou le pantalon. Remember your articles, very important. Un pantalon, le pantalon. What is the color of this trouser? It is black. And so we say un pantalon noir. Not noir, because by having un on or le low masculine article, it already tells us that the gender of this trouser is masculine in French. So this is a black trouser, and so it is called un pantalon noir. And here we come again with how do I look? I know black is my favorite color, but who knows, white might just give me a better look or the smartest look. So this is a shirt already known in English language. So what is a shirt called in French language? La chemise. And what is the color of this shirt? This shirt is white in color, and so we say, and before that, la chemise, that tells us that this clothing item is feminine in gender, and so we need to know the need to be attaching or attributing the right articles to any concept or item or word we come across. So this is la chemise, right? Is a shirt. La chemise. C-H-E-M-I-S-E. What is the color of this shirt? It is white, for those whose favorite colors are white. And so we say, c'est une chemise blanche. It's a white shirt. Une chemise blanche. Remember, this shirt is not masculine, it is feminine. So we say une chemise blanche. So, tell us, or rather, tell me, which of these aforementioned clothing items are your favorite? Well, I didn't mention yours. Okay, now you have a task. So if you know yours was not mentioned, we just consider just a few. We have vast clothing items. Same way we have in English language, that is same way we have in French language. Today we just consider just a few of such clothing items. And guess what? Yours might not be a white shirt, it might not be a black trouser, it might not be a black skirt, it might just be a black dress. Oh, why am I so stuck with my favorite color? Mon Dieu. A dress, what is it called in French language? It is called la robe. And what's the color of my dress? The color of my dress is black. And so, what is black in French language? If you remember vividly, when we looked at our colors, we said that black can be noir or noir, depending on the gender of the items. They are qualifying as an adjective, yes. A typical work of an adjective in a noun or a pronoun as a part of speech. Whatever item we want to talk about must agree in gender, article wise. Thank you for choosing to be in our class today. Please do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. The comment section is for you to drop any question whatsoever. Is this concept we've looked at that you do not understand pretty well, or you have any question whatsoever, drop it in the comment section. And thank you very much for always choosing to join our class. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your likes. And thank you for your shares. And just in case you've not subscribed to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.